Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Right, Estoril Blue, lovely M135i Auto, Euro 6 petrol 3 litre turbo start-stop. Has had the conrod bolts and the main bearings in the engine upgraded. So, something that happens to these and it destroys the engine, so a great thing to have had done. Just future proofs this car. 66,000 miles, very good service history. 20, 27, 31, 38, 43, 47, 51, 52 auto gearbox service as well, 55. I mean, great history. And 60 something, and lots and lots of services. We have the bills for the conrod bolts and the upgraded main bearings. Right, gloss black alloys, rear park sensors, got Harman Kardon stereo, I noticed privacy glass, premium tyres all round. Nice car, not covered in stone chips. Doesn't look like it's been tracked or messed around with. Lovely. We haven't valeted it yet, we will, but just a nice car. When I say we haven't valeted, inside we haven't valeted it. We have done paint correction and prepared the exterior of the vehicle, but the inside we haven't cleaned it as it came, but we will give it a valet. But this is how clean it came in. Dust here and there, but it's a nice clean car. It'll come up like brand new inside. Sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth. Recently serviced. So professional nav, media package, Harman Kardon. Got the M Sport suspension, visibility pack, enhanced Bluetooth, cruise control with brake function, driver comfort package, PDC, rear, privacy glass, nice spec vehicle. In lovely condition. 66,000 miles. £13,995. Leather is in great condition on the seats, got fitted mats, got 2 keys. What a lovely car. So £13,995. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website to have a look at our other stock. This video is hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you'll be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you'll get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You'll be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.